Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the onerror event in JavaScript to handle image loading errors on websites. Sometimes when we set the image source to display an image, errors can occur. For example, the image link may not exist or be broken. In that case, the image will fail to load on the interface. To handle this, we can use onerror to catch the error and perform some action, like displaying a default placeholder image instead. First, we declare two image tags. The first img tag with id equals myImage is the main image we want to display. The second img tag with id equals errorImage is a fallback image to use in case of errors. Initially, we set CSS display none to hide it. Next, on the main img tag, we add an onerror event handler pointing to a JavaScript function handleImageError. In the handleImageError function we handle the error. Log an error message to the console. Hide the broken image by setting display none. Show the fallback image by setting display blocks. So, when the main image fails loading, the onerror event will trigger the handleImageError function to display the fallback image instead. Hopefully this video helps explain how to apply onerror handling in real applications.